Yeah, today we are talking about Python string. So, what is string literals? String literals in Python are surrounded by either single quote mark or double quote mark. For example, thanks is a single quote. I put it in quotation. You can make use of single quotes or you make use of double quotes. Thanks you. So this is what we call a string literal. So string can be output to screen using print function. So for example, if I want to output string using print function, I have to quote the string either with single quotes or with double quote. Welcome to this class in quotes. I press in quotes, then closing brackets. So unlike many other programming language, string in Python are arrays or bytes of representation. So and let me give you another example. Get the character at, at position. I want to get the character at position 1. So remember that the first character has the position 0. So let me assign string to variable st is equal to welcome. So if I want to get the character in the second position, which is position 1, which is E, st is the name of the variable string. 1 means 2, the second position, because this started from 0, 0, 1, which is the second position. So if I press enter key, it will print letter E. Letter E is in the second position if you start your counting from 0. So for example now, I want to start from the second position, or I want to start from 0, 1, 2, 3, from the third position and end up, I can say print open bracket st, then open this. I'm starting from where? 0, 1, 2, 3, from the third position, comma, and end up in and stop in 3, 4, 5, 6, and stop at the sixth position, which will print com or com. So that is, I start from position 3 and I stop from position 6. It printed the 3 character. So how to use the strip function method? Strip method removes any white space from the beginning or end of a string. So let's say st is equal to welcome. Let me put space here, 1, 2, 3 space, and now I come welcome. Welcome to my class. Yes, I can put space. The space between this string and the end of the at the end of the string can be removed using strip function. So now to remove the space, to print it out, let me print the string and remove which is st.strip. Then we remove the space from the beginning and at the ends, and return welcome to my class without space. You can see. So that's how to use a strip function. So you can use length method to return the length of a string. Like now, let me find the length of this particular string. If I should find the length, letter, okay, let's find the length. You now put, let's assign our length. Okay, print. We use length function. Then st to get the length of the string. It will return the length. The length is 24. If you are to count the string, it will give you 24 character. Then we have a lower that change lower and upper, that return everything. Lower we return lower case. Upper will return upper case. Return st dot lower. It return everything to lower case. So you can see the capital S has been turned to small s. It turned everything to what? To lower case. Why that of the upper will turn everything to upper case? St dot upper. So we turn everything to what? To upper case. So you can also replace a string with another string by using replace method. To use a replace method, let's replace that welcome to Jets. Replaced. Let's use print. Yeah. In bracket A should be replaced. We are using replace method to bring out letter W and replace it with letter G. What did I do? Sorry, I made a mistake. I want to write variable st, not trying to replace this particular string variable. Close the quotation. So I replace this one with letter G. That's how to use a replaced method. Then we still have split method. I want to split put comma in between to return to put. I want to split this particular statement. So how to use split method? Print st the split I use comma. So let's see what is going to be returned. Welcome. So split method splits the string into substring. You can see the quotation. It splits the string into substrings if it finds any instance of the separator. Separator like comma, like this one doesn't have a comma. Let me make another example. I want to copy this and paste. Ctrl C, put it somewhere here, remove the space, put comma. So let me now run this command to see. You can see split method splits the substring into split string into substring if it finds instance of separator. So because I put instance of separator, that's the function of split commands. So we are stopping here. You can join the next video to learn more about Python. Thank you for watching.